Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. I have a question for you. How do you talk to yourself? At night, in the morning, in the middle of the day, when something goes wrong? How do you talk to yourself? Do you discourage yourself? Do you say all manner of negative things about yourself? Do you think bad things about yourself and you're on your caregiver journey? I know some people do because I see it on the group. I see it. And people say, I think I have failed my daddy. I think I have failed my mother. My sisters are mad at me. My brothers are not talking to me. I must be a horrible person. I must be a horrible person. Would you say that to a friend? If a friend came and was telling you your story, okay, and telling you everything that they had done, which is just exactly what you have done, would you tell them they're a failure? No. You would encourage them and you would say, I don't know what other option you had. It sounds to me like you made the best decision possible. Whatever you would tell a girlfriend is exactly what you need to tell yourself, because you are doing the best you can. I know that you are. I say this all the time, but I believe it. If you are on YouTube, if you're on Google, if you are on Pinterest, if you are somewhere searching for an answer to a problem, you are a good caregiver. If you're over on the group and you're invested in the group and you're helping other people and you're getting help yourself, what else can you do? What else can you do? There's no one way to be a perfect caregiver, but there's hundreds of ways to be a very good caregiver. So I'm fussing a little bit at you. It's only because I love you. It's only because I love you. I want you to talk to yourself like you would talk to your best friend and tell them everything is going to be okay. You're doing the best you can. Love shines. Love endures. And if you're taking care of somebody that you don't love, that there's a lot of water under the bridge, that's why I call, I don't say loved ones, I say your person with dementia, because not everyone is taking care of someone they love, then you're doing a job out of duty. And I can't even imagine the extra layer that adds to caregiving. So you're doing a good job. Listen to me. Don't listen to yourself. Listen to me. You're doing a good job. I see you. I hear you. I know you. I've been around you for almost 30 years serving caregivers. And the group just teaches me more and more every day. If you don't have a tribe, if you don't have a group of people that you can talk to that really, really understand what you're going through, please come over to the Facebook support group. It's called Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group. It's linked down below, but there's also, you could just go to the search bar and search Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group, and there we are. We come up, boom, and it'll say, how did you hear about us? And you can put YouTube video, and then you're in. You agree to the rules. There's some rules so that we make sure that, the group stays positive and whatnot. And that we don't let spammers in and things like that. But overall, it's easy to join the group. It's free. It's free to subscribe to this channel. And follow me and listen to me, because I tell you the truth. I tell you what you need to hear, because I love you. I love you. And I want you to receive love. I don't want you to be just so mad at yourself and mad at your situation and just mad at the world. I want you to be in a position of your hands like this and saying good things about yourself, thinking good things about yourself, thinking rational things about yourself. Some of the things I hear are just absolutely irrational. That you wouldn't expect anybody else to behave the way that you're expecting yourself to behave. And I just have to be the one that's here to remind you. So that's my thought for today. I love you. I pray for you. Listen, I'm over on TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, let me tell you, I love TikTok. It is more than just dancing. You can get on the prayer side of TikTok, on that caregiver side of TikTok, and get some good help. You really can. And I'm on there every day saying a little 1-minute prayer, a little 60-second prayer every day for you. Okay? I love you. 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 And I want to see you succeed. I want to see you do well. I do. I love you. Talk to yourself like you love yourself, okay? Talk to yourself like you love yourself. I love you. Bye.